right, so here we have a Porsche 911 center console. This is a unique center console in that, among other things, it has a security cover for the radio. Go ahead and operate it once for us here. We've been charged with redoing this radio console cover, and to make it operate requires a number of things that are kind of counterintuitive. So I'm going to have you operate it again there, please. So looking in the back of the console, we can see that the actual door is operated by a spring, and go ahead and operate it. A spring and a line. Go ahead and operate it again. That is all operated by this fairly complex gear motor. The gear motor is actually something that Porsche got somehow or another. I don't know how they did this. This is a factory option. And we have put a new transmission in this gear motor, originally due to a stripped gear in the original motor. We now have put a more powerful motor in it. Go ahead and operate it again, please. And you can see that it's operating the door just fine now. There's a little mechanism up in the top right here that has a door closure magnet on it. Go ahead and operate it again. And when the door comes down close to close, go ahead, operator back. We can see that that magnet comes up and grabs it and makes the door come absolutely flush to the fascia. So this has been a lot of work. I mean, I can't believe the amount of time involved in changing the screw mechanism. Now, there are other items. As we can see, these two holes back in here where we're letting light through, those are areas for a air conditioning console that is not in the unit right now. But in order to gain access, you may have to remove this string which operates the door mechanism, and we've accommodated that simply by, go ahead and operate it again, please. By allowing this cord right here, you loosen this bolt and just unhook a little question mark shaped hook there, and that will put enough slack on the string to allow you to insert the air conditioning modules and what have you in there, and then go ahead and reconnect, and that gives you affords a little bit of interchangeability on parts. So anything else going on, Matt, that we should talk about on this?
Nope.
Well, it's currently totally operational. We're happy that we are done with this. And that's our story, and we're sticking to it. Thank you very much.